Has a door ever opened on its own? Or have you heard unexplained noises when no one was there? If you've ever experienced something mysterious, give this video a like and subscribe. Let's explore what these signs really mean. These occurrences are often seen as signs of spiritual energy influencing the space. Sometimes it's a gentle message that your guardian spirit is nearby. Other times it's a warning signal caused by disturbed vibrations. But in every case, the core meaning is the same in energy trying to get your attention. So the next time it happens, instead of feeling fear, ask yourself, what message is being sent to me? Recognizing it could shift your path and your energy in a powerful way.